Now you can replace your ERJ 135, 145, and legacy batteries with higher performing, premium quality, sealed lead acid batteries manufactured by Concorde Battery Corporation. The RG442 is fully interchangeable with existing batteries and does not require onboard modifications. It is a simple drop-in replacement. Quality, performance, and robust design are a few of the key features of Concorde batteries. Inside the battery, Concorde's proprietary PolyGuard separators add superior protection against both shock and vibration. Robust intercell connections maximize outrush current for dependable starts under extreme loads. Every battery is fully tested for airworthiness and starting power before it leaves our facility. When compared to nickel-cadmium batteries, the Concorde sealed lead acid battery offers a significant cost savings. One of the key benefits of a recombinant gas battery is that it is maintenance-free. No water replenishment required, meaning less downtime and more time in service. Also, there is no threat of thermal runaway. Concorde's RG Series SLA batteries are non-spillable, meaning no more risk of airframe corrosion due to electrolyte overspray or spillage. They have exceptional charge retention and starting power in all temperatures. They are also hazmat exempt, resulting in lower shipping time and costs. To learn more, contact your C&L sales representative today or email us at info@cla.aero.